What's going on, guys? My name is Pedrotsky, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your own free Minecraft server that has no lag, has DDoS protection and everything, and it's free forever. So you're probably thinking, yeah, you're just going to show us Aternos, but no, it's definitely not Aternos. No need to turn the server back on or have it crash, whatever. This is actually from EU Game Host. So they've actually started their own like Minecraft plans, and their base plan with 2 GB of RAM is actually it's free. So the first thing you need to do is just click the link in the description. That's going to take you to the EU Game Host website, and then we'll click on Game Servers. And once we're here, we will scroll down to Minecraft. And you'll see here it says from $0 per month. So let's click Explore More. And then if we scroll down, we can see it's actually swiping past because it scrolls infinitely. But if we actually scroll back here, we can see here the free villager plan, which is the free Minecraft server, which is for up to 35 player slots. It has DDoS protection and it's always free. Now the other cool thing about this too is they also have like mod manager and version manager and stuff, so you can install like Spigot or like whatever you want, like paper, anything. So I'll show you all that in just a second. So what you need to do is go order server. So you click on that. And then once you click on order server, it's going to take you here, and then you just click on checkout. You're just filling your details, and it doesn't ask for like credit card or anything like that. It's just yeah. So once you've done that, you'll go into the dashboard, like just log in after you've completed your checkout, and then here it's going to bring us to where it says Minecraft and $0. We just click on go to panel, and it's going to load up the game panel for us. And so as you can see here, I've got my server and it's already brought me into it. So if I just click on start, and we just wait for it to start up, it's going to start generating the world and everything. It's probably going to ask me for the user agreement. So yeah, so let's just click I accept. And we can see like a few cool things here. So we can see at the moment the CPU load is at 100%. You can see how much RAM our server's using, how much disk space it's using. And the server's just starting up now, so it's going to take a while because it's actually got to generate the world. So while that does that, let me just show you around the rest of the panels and what you can do. So you can set up files on the server, so like you can just go through and quickly edit your config and do whatever you want to do. So like your server properties, you can go through and change that. My internet is super slow at the moment, sorry, so we'll just yeah, as you can see here, you can go through server properties, do whatever you're there. Then mods, you can actually install mods directly from the panel, so it makes it super easy to mod your server. Just type in what you want, where you want it from, and all the different versions here, and just click install whatever you want to put on your server. The plugin manager, now this is for like if you've already got plugins on your server, and then you can like quickly disable them or enable them from here. We've got a version switcher, so as you can see here, I can just choose all kinds of different versions to install. Not only that, we can actually change it to like paper, purpur, spigot, anything really, anything you want. So you can just like click on paper, for example, and then we can just install paper from here. So there's no need to go to a website and download it for our free Minecraft server. The next thing we have is databases. Now at the moment you can't create them, but you will be able to soon, so that is coming. Next up, we've got schedules, which means you can start and restart your server automatically, like every day, or create saves automatically. Next thing we have is users, so like you can add like your friends to the panel, so they can start, stop, restart. Like you can just give them access for these things here, and then you know if you want like a developer to come on, then they can obviously do more. You could give them file access so they can edit the server that way. And yeah, the other things we don't really need to worry too much about. It's just like basic stuff, but the main thing is the server itself. And the other thing to remember is that this is currently hosted in Europe. So if you're connecting from like Asia or something, you're probably going to get a little bit higher ping, maybe like 250 ping. But if you're in Europe, you're going to get super low ping. But I have spoken to the owner, and he is going to be opening up the free Minecraft server in Singapore, in Dallas, I'm pretty sure Dallas or Phoenix, and UK as well. So you just have to stay tuned. I suggest you just go and join their Discord if you want to keep up to date on that. So it looks like here the server has started up, so let's just try and connect to it now. So all we have to do is just click on the IP address here. So we just click on it once, and as you can see, it says that it's copied to the clipboard. And then we go into our Minecraft. Then I'm just going to paste that IP directly in here, and then click Join Server. And now it's just connecting, logging in, encrypting, joining world. And as you can see, it is joining, and there we go. We're inside of our free Minecraft server, and like I said, it's free forever. It's not going to turn off when there's no players on, like when you're on Aternos or something. This can stay up 24/7. It's 100% free. Like I said, no payment details, no nothing. Just click the link in the description and get yours now, because there is actually a limited number of these. They can't just keep giving out an infinite amount. So that's it, guys. If you get stuck at all, I'll leave a link to their Discord below so you can actually join that as well. And yeah, like I said, they're a game host, reputable game host, and it's a free Minecraft server for you all. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.